Nigga, ice me out. Ice me.
Lashay BAES. Okay, back again with another video. I meant to record earlier, but I ended up forgetting. But I'm just now coming from the mall. Did a little Christmas shopping. I think I'm going back today, though, and I record that if I do. But this has been a lot. This morning was safety. I was standing in line for some Bath and Body Works stuff and stuff. But like, why they even like y'all? It's just a lot. But like, what was it? I had girl, that made no sense. But I was standing in line for about a good minute on, and they stuff is high, very high. 1 something, but girl, who? They been big down lady people, cause they would have gotten that thing like for real. But I'm about to go eat or something, and I'll get back to y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm at home chilling. It's really ain't much I've been doing. I just been, chilling, laying down, all that stuff. But yeah, I just got home, finna go to eat and stuff, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so right now I'm just chilling, taking down my hair, so I guess I'll be outside watch me take down my hair, and I'm be right back with you guys. Okay, y'all, so she stopped on my hair for tonight, and she's just gonna probably do it tomorrow, finish it tomorrow, because I got school Monday. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next vlog. I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the love that you guys been giving me. Thank you for the 100 subscribers, you guys. I love you guys so much. See you guys in the next
Ask me out. I want Tiffany. I want Angel City. I want all that shit.